Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your glass because it's cracked on a Dodge Charger. So this is your Dodge Charger right here. But most of the Dodge Chargers are like this. It's the same procedure to change the front windows. All right. So first thing first, you want to get a flathead screwdriver or a pick, which I have a pick right here. I'm gonna go in here and get this up, and that come out like that. And what this do, it give you access to a screw down here. There goes the screw right there. You want to also get the pick, go between here, between the chrome and the between the chrome and the switch, like that. Come open that. Get this out, unplug it, squeeze right here, pull on it. Alright, so that's good. Now it's time to come here, and you're gonna do the same thing with a pick. And get up in there. Just try to work your way around it. Try to work your way. I'm gonna need my tool, and now I have it open out a little bit. I need a flathead screwdriver to take that part out. Alright. So you won't have to fight with it this much because you're gonna have your two hand. But see that gap that open up? You can put your flathead screwdriver in there. Alright. Alright, so that's what I mean when I said put your flathead screwdriver in there. Pry it out open. Get that off like that. And that's it. Now it's time to get your Phillips screwdriver or star point, whichever you call it. Take that out. So yeah, take that out right there. Alright, so now it's time to go around the door and see what else there to take out. You gotta take out this clip right here. Push this in, not too far. Get your pick or a flathead screwdriver and get this out. Hold on, it's stuck in there. So after it break a little bit, I push it in some more and it come out like this. Alright, and you want to search the door for any more like that. You got a Phillips screw right there, so you just need to take out this Phillips screw right here. Like that. your flathead screwdriver, go between the panel and the door. Pull on it. Work your way around. This, you want to lift up on it. You need to disconnect your, there's a wire right here, you gotta unplug it. So this the clip right here, you just want to squeeze this right here, get it to focus. Yeah, squeeze that right there and pull it off. Here, same thing, gotta squeeze this lip right here, spin it around, squeeze that one and pop it out like that. Alright, not pop it out but pull it out. When you squeeze both of them in, you can pull it back like this, come around here to the opening, and then you come up. Alright, and this you gotta unplug it same way, just like how you unplug this one right here. Alright, so you want to squeeze this in like I was telling you, bring your hand back and it's unplugged like that. Then you can move this to the side. What you need to do is get your switch, because you want to plug the switch back up so you can get the window up and down and turn the ignition on or crank the car up so you can get the window up and down. You're gonna have a door right here. That's the one part of the window, and the other part you need to take out the speaker. So that's what I'm gonna do, is take out the speaker. Right? Alright, so it's gonna be a T25 torque. Take this out right here. Take out the speaker. You got 4 T25 torque screws to take them up. Speaker right here. Unplug this. Turn on your key. Alright, so that's on. Push down on the window, and then it's gonna give you access to that right there. And what you need is a flathead screwdriver, because this is what hooks the window and hold it down. So you just need to push it over like that, get it clear, bring the window up a little bit so it don't lock back into place, just like that. And you want to do it for the other side. So over here, same procedure over here. Push this in and bring the window up. Now you're gonna need your two hand to hold the glass and bring the window all the way down. All right. So you're gonna hold the glass like this so it doesn't move, so it don't move, and then you're gonna hit the switch and bring the window regulator all the way down from the glass. All right. Now I bring the regulator all the way down. The glass is up here all the way, and as you can see, I can shake the glass. The glass is free. So you want to get it at an angle now and take it out. All right. So you want to bring it down and set it at an angle. All right. That's how you take it out, and you want to put the new glass in the same way. So the same way you take out the old glass, same way you're gonna reverse the procedure and put in the new glass. All right. This is the new glass right here. So you want to bring it all the way up, make sure it's in all the grooves properly. It's in the window chuck properly, alright? And then what you're gonna do is turn your ignition on and bring your window regulator to meet the glass, alright? So got the switch right here, right there, and all the way up. You pull it till it clip. Alright, when you hear that sound, it lock into place. You bring it down, you double check that's the lock right there to the hole. Bring it right here, check that's lock right there. Alright, now it's time to put in your speaker and also your and close back this door right here. Alright, so just in case if you get these wire mixed up, this is to help you not to get these mixed up. The bigger one right here is for the speaker. They're two different sizes. The smaller one will go in the speaker hole, but you need the bigger one. All right. Catch your screws. Alright, so to make it easier when going back up, what you need to do is take out these 3 clips right here. And to take them out, you need a flathead screwdriver and go under here and squeeze this up and bring it out. As easy as that. Alright, well, it's not 3, it's like 4 of them, but they all come out the same. Alright, so basically this is what you squeeze right here. Right here, you squeeze this part right here, alright, and pull back on it. So alright, so basically this is what I was telling you to squeeze. I don't know if you hear me, so I was telling you to squeeze right here when you're taking it out. So get this right here, slide it over and under here like that, So it gotta be like that. Front, same thing. Bring it up like this. Slide it down. Push this down in it. So when you finish, it should look like that. Alright? Unplug your switch because we're gonna put on your door panel. Alright? You wanna get your door panel. Plug all your wires in, including your handle. Alright. Now run your wire through the switch wire through where it's supposed to go, alright? Alright, so that's it guys. You just put your screws on your clips. Alright guys, thank you for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Thumbs up. See you next time. And it's also the same for the Chrysler 300. Alright.